Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Riya and सर्दियाँ आ चुकी है. Time for a winter haul. Yes, there is a very obvious makeover. I have chopped all my hair and I'll tell you all the stuff. Like there's a nice story behind it and I'll post that video soon, but usse pehle let's just quickly get to the haul. I have shopped a lot from Flipkart, a lot of winter wear, so I'll show you everything, don't worry. Every product link will be in the description box down below. Okay, so let me tell you why I've been loving Flipkart. They have the latest collection with influencer styles that are refreshed weekly. Wide variety of quality products from a lot of genuine brands. The brands are all Flipkart assured and go, I think like 6 quality checks. You can shop in your own language. Best value for money for over, like they have 10 lakh plus styles and like starts from as low as $199. Easy exchange, returns, refunds, and with like 48 hours delivery. All these reasons make Flipkart such a great destination and a great website to shop from. Flipkart ऐसे ही थोड़ी बन गया है इंडिया का fashion capital. So yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first up I would like to share like one of my very cherished pieces, which is this really cute puffer jacket. Guys, just look at the color. It's like, it's so cute. Like it's dusty pinkish, like deep dusty pink in color, and has a cap with a fur as well, which is detachable. So cool. So in Flipkart you get like these kind of jackets at 60 to 80% off, which is fabulous, and I would highly recommend this brand. It's called Fort Collins and I have got the size XL. Really thick, really nice material, and yeah, I just really love it, and it's super squishy also. So next up I got a really nice purple sort of a sweater, and you get like flat 50% off on sweaters, so amazing. I got this one. As you can see, I'm obsessed with purple. I got this purple sweater and it has like a very soft material and has like buttons in the front and has a V neckline, which is so cool. Like you get to wear a shirt inside it, or you can wear it like a top as well. Works both ways. It has a nice length to it, and like I love the color also. It's like that lavender purplish color shade, and this is from the brand called Insua. Size is medium and material is so good. Okay, so I got the jacket for something around 800-900ish. Got this one for something I think like 500-600ish. Really good quality. Then I have this sweater, which I absolutely love because just look at the color, you guys. So this is like a knitted sweater, and this is from the brand called Provoke, and I really like it. Like it's really baggy and like looks really good with a skirt or a jeans. I got the size medium. It has like these stripy detailing in the front and like really thick and keeps you very warm. Again, for something around 400ish, very budget friendly. Then I got this cardigan, which is in the color cream/beige, and I have this color thingy going on with beige because I love everything that is in the color beige, and hence I got this sweater. It works very well with literally anything, and the quality is really nice. It's like, it's not that thick. It'll be perfect for like November, December starting weather, and yeah, you can like pair it up with a top, pair it up with a shirt, and like since it's beige and cream in color, it'll go with like every color you have. So really like it. And next up I got this half sleeves sweater, which is in trend since last year, and this year also it's super trending. And I got this maroon colored half sleeves V-neck sweater vest, which is I think it's super cool. Like you can pair it up with a white shirt and just like, I can imagine it'll look really cool. So this one is like perfect for like November, February weather, and if you want to layer it up, you can have like a jacket or a coat on top and wear it in winters, like hardcore winters as well. So that is a big yay. Material is super soft, again from this brand called Metronaut, and I think I got it from the men's section though. Men's section, like this is also from the men's section, the sweater that I'm wearing. So I love oversized. Yeah, oversized women's section में नहीं मिलता. So men's t-shirt, men's sweaters. Then I again got a cardigan because I am a little grandma here. So I got this brownish shade cardigan, which again is really thick. Like this one is thicker than the last one, and again it's in a neutral shade, so it'll go with a lot of things. And yeah, I really love it. Like it's a normal plain button wala cardigan. So yes, again for like I think 300-400 rupees. This one was for again 250-300 rupees. So affordable. I love it. Then I got sort of like a really trendy piece which I am in love with because I love the color. This is like a classic trench coat color. So this is a trench coat, but this is not like a thick wintry trench coat, but this is like a like more of a layering piece. So you can wear like a black high neck underneath it and just layer this humongous trench coat on top of it. This is sleeveless, by the way. I'll insert a picture for your reference if you are not getting what I'm trying to convey. So this has you know, sort of like a wrap around like thingy here and some buttons here and collar with half sleeves. Would look really sexy with like a turtleneck, huh? Really cool. Again, this one is I think for 450-ish. All the links will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. And the last item that I got are a pair of socks which I am absolutely in love with, which says Netflix and chill. This is the last winter item that I got for this haul. So yeah, I really love it. The color, the quality, super cool. So yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I hope you got some reference on what kind of style I am into right now, and if you like any product, any other suggestions you have for me, just put it on the comments down below and I'll be happy to reach out to you. I hope you guys are safe and sound. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Love.